Hi guys, my name is Taylor Dollins with MarineMax Dallas here in Lewisville, Texas. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2025 Harris 230 Grand Mariner. So coming on into the boat, we ordered this one with chestnut interior, brown flooring. So we have recessed cup holders on both sides, JL audio sound system, drop down armrest in the Grand Mariner series. You will have your double bimini top. Coming on back, great big ski locker down there for all your storage. Pop-up table here. Making our way back, looking at the dash here, you'll have twin Simrad screens. Those will be 9-inch NSX screens. GPS navigation, all your engine info is going to be on there as well. JL audio head unit, raised helm, so you'll be able to sit up a little higher. Boat will hold 14 people. Your Ion tower with JL tower speakers. And this is called an SL layout, so single lounge. This seat will flip-flop back and forth and can lay down completely flat for a full sun pad. Coming on back, insulated cooler over here, more storage under everything. These are on ratchets, so you can face that way into the boat. Fender holders on either side. New for this year is the lily pad ladder, so it's going to be super easy to get up in and out of the boat. Ski tow bar. Boat's going to be powered by a 300 Mercury, and then of course your swim seat on the other side. All right, so again guys, my name's Taylor Dollins with MarineMax Dallas here in Lewisville, Texas. Thank you for watching. This was a 2025 Harris 230 Grand Mariner.